Hello everyone, Sarthak here from the Tech Trademark back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a first look at this Amazon Fire TV stick. So without further ado, let's jump inside the video. So on the box you will get some information about the device and the things you will get inside the box. Talking about the features, it gets voice search, Dolby audio support, it can stream 1080p videos and gets a quad-core processor. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this. Inside the box, you will get some leaflets, a quick start guide, micro USB to USB cable that will be used to power the device, an HDMI extender, two AAA batteries, a power brick, remote, and the stick itself. Talking about the physical overview of the Fire Stick, on the top you will get the Amazon branding. On this side you will get a micro USB port which will be used to power the stick, and on the other side you will get nothing, and on the front is the HDMI which you will insert in your TV's HDMI slot. Now let's see the setup process. The setup process of the Amazon Fire TV stick is very simple. Just insert the micro USB cable and connect it to your power brick. On your TV, select the HDMI port in which you have inserted the Fire Stick. Once selected, the Fire Stick will turn on, and now you need to connect it to your network in order to stream content. Next, you need to register your device by entering your Amazon ID and password. And finally, after this, you will get a welcome video which will show you some features of the stick.
Welcome to your new Fire TV stick. Using the Alexa voice remote, easily get to all your favorites from Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, Sony Live, and more. To get started, press the microphone button and ask Alexa to find what you want to watch. Alexa, find thrillers. Alexa, play Mirzapur. You also have access to so many free movies and TV shows from providers like Eros Now, ZEE5, Sun NXT, and more, without any subscription fees. Your next generation Alexa voice remote makes it easier to control your entire TV experience with dedicated power, volume, and mute buttons to control compatible TVs. You can also ask Alexa to help in so many other ways. Check the weather and sports scores, play music, and that's just the beginning. To find more, just ask, Alexa, what can you do? Take your TV experience even further with Amazon Prime. Members get access to thousands of popular movies and TV episodes, plus ad-free listening to millions of songs with Amazon Prime Music, and of course, free 1-day and 2-day shipping. Happy watching on your new Fire TV stick.
So that's it for this video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then hit the like button, comment down below, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, I'm Sarthak here, signing off. Thank you.